Hello viewers, join me as I learn how to prepare banga soup. Boil your pot kennel till it is soft and squeeze out the juice with your hand. Continue to add water until you have taken out all the juice from palm kennel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Boil your meat while doing this. Oh wow, this is our palm kennel juice. Sip into the pot. Add your stock, meat water to taste, before adding any seasonings. Put it on gas to cook. Banga spices. This is the name of the banga spices for those that want to buy it. Cow skin and scent leaves, dry pepper. Cover the pot to cook for 15 minutes. Crayfish. Stockfish. Grinding the crayfish because last born didn't like seeing it in the soup. Pour everything, spices, stockfish, crayfish and meat, except scent leaves. Put the scent leaf last. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Oh la la, banga soup is ready. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notifications bell. Thanks for watching.